And now let's meet the starters first for the DFA Emissaries. Team captain and middle blocker wearing jersey number 16, Mitch Oliveira. Middle blocker number 8, Alex Tangayan. Opposite spiker number 12, Jackie Waga. Outside hitter number 14, Yvonne Reyes. Opposite hitter number 16, Cheng Aperientos. Outside hitter number 20, Kat Magsumbol. And libero wearing jersey number 3 is Jane De Leon. Head coach for DFA is Coach Ralph Christian Calasin. And now let's meet the starters for the SSS Pension Protectors. Team captain and opposite spiker wearing jersey number 7, Susan Larion. Outside hitter number 3, Rosel Gomez. Open spiker number 9, Gian Reforma. Setter number 10, Marie Pascual. Middle blocker number 14, Patri Sengmuang. Middle blocker number 17, RB Camacho. And libero wearing jersey number 8 is Kim Suba. Coaches for the SSS are Coach Jonathan Briones, Coach Jerome Briones, and Coach Richard Tolentino. UVL fans, let's get ready to serve, spike, and set. This is the UNTV Volleyball League Win in Sports and Win for Charity.
Ito po ang starting lineup ng DFA Emissaries at ito naman yung lineup ng inyong pension protectors coming off a big morale-boosting 5-set win kontra sa suffragettes ng Comelec. Nandito po tayo sa Paco Arena. Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Very excited to bring you the start of the second round ng ating elimination season 2 ng UVL. And si Pascual will be the starting setter in the place of Vera May Guillema. And Titoy ang unang puntos ating first set. And
a smart move na to go to the high percentage attacker.
oo. Maganda pag initin agad nila si Titoy. Yun ang importante, no?
And syempre maximize habang nasa harap siya.
Oo. Nadinig natin yung lahat from Coach Tan Eugenio. But samantala, there's a nice hit by Tangayan. Nagamit yung net for the easy point.
Sometimes yan yung mga mas mahirap kunin. Pag sumabit sa net, gets redirected, hard to read.
Pascual pinasa, back to Titoy. A much better pass there. Mula kay Abarientos. This time, Titoy pumasa. Pascual with a hit, then catches the corner. So, Pascual showing us a two-way player siya.
Oo, and very steady start para dito sa SSS.
Abarientos again, ganda ng pasa. They have Magsumbol hitting. Si Titoy with the first touch and the third touch as well. That's a point again. Titoy Sangmuang, a Thai native. Now living in the Philippines for such a long time already. She started playing sa ating PVL, ano?
Oh.
And then she started loving the country and the way people are. Probably even the food, and now she's not, hindi pa siya what do you call it, yung naturalized. But she has an ACR card in order to qualify as a player here. There's a nice receive by Magsumbol. Titoy again. Ayun, on the line ulit.
Oh, doesn't matter where the ball is coming from, sabi ni Pitoy. Basta itataas ko, ipapasok ko sa kabila.
Coming off a 41-point performance. Hanggang ngayon, mainit pa rin ang kamay ni Titoy Sangmuang. And gets a service ace.
The challenges on the side of DFA, nakikita natin mula sa kanilang passing and receiving.
It's been an issue matagal na. Simula pa lang nung season when we spoke to Coach Ralph Calasin. Yun yung mga inaayos nila. And hanggang ngayon, there seems to be a problem sa kanyang reception. What a save from Pascual. Push by Gomez. Magsumbol, uulit. The tip. Larion picks it up. Gomez with a hit, and that one is outside.
Almost, but good effort from both teams. Kita natin yung talagang keeping the ball alive.
Oo.
Very alert.
Magsumbol, a former UAAP player from FEU. Reforma with a bad pass and an easy ace kay Magsumbol.
Good floater mula kay Magsumbol to challenge the first ball of SSS. Ang kailangan nila dito, siguraduhin dumikit sila. Hindi magkakaroon ng malaking lead ang SSS.
It's outside. Despite the issues nga ng emissaries, they have not been able, they've not allowed tong pension protectors to pull away. Dalawa lang to dahil sa service fault ni Magsumbol. So, a few side outs lang. Makakalamang pa dito ang emissaries. Underhand serve para kay Susan Larion. There's a hit. And from Reyes. And a nice push mula sa likod para sa pension protectors. So a little 2-point run for the green shirts. Lamang sila ngayon ng 3. Pagkatapos dumikit ng 1 point. Itong emissaries hit by Olaveres. Good.
Yung tapang sa net, yan ang kailangan ng DFA to score these points and challenge the defense of SSS.
Jackie Waga serving 5-7. Short serve. Overpassed by Pitoy. And Magsumbol, hindi na iangat yung touch na yon. Naputahan natin itong report ni Dana de Guzman. Dana?
Eric and Ann, the DFA emissaries not going down without a fight this last game of the round 1. As Coach Ralph mentioned kanina, natiwala lang sila sa program na nilaan ng DFA para sa kanila. Gawing simple lang nila ang volleyball at iwasan ang mga errors. Tingnan natin, ito na nga ba ang magiging unang pagkapanalo ng DFA emissaries? Let's all find out.
Maraming salamat, Dana. Right now, they have to avoid the errors. Yun ang number 1, kung gusto nila makakakuha ng isang set against the pension protectors.
Tama ka dyan. And we did talk about that during the pregame na yun lang naging problema nila. No? In their last game against BFP, mas marami pa yung kanilang naitalang error than the points that they actually converted. So today, pero may konting swerte din, because there was a touch. Yan ang sabi ng ating official.
So Susan Larion tatawagan ng touch dun sa hit mula sa likod by the emissaries. So it's a 2-point game again. Olavere serving 6-8 opening set ng ating first game ngayong linggo mula sa Paco Arena. There's Camacho with a point, her first. Three-point lead, 9-6. Camacho nag-serve. Magsumbol will set it. Nice cross-court mula kay Reyes. Pitoy. Pitoy will get it. Arrarientos chasing it down pero hindi na umabot.
Pitoy really maximized in front. At dito makikita natin, taas-taas lang yung play. But again, yung porsyento ng kanilang opensa nandyan.
Service ace. Camacho. Ito na po ang pinakamalaking kalamangan ng pension protectors. Tatawag ng timeout si Coach Ralph Calasin. We will listen in.
Nakalimutan yung long ball kayo. Rosel, nakalimutan yung setter yung second ball. So, respetuhin nyo yung kalaban na blockin nyo, pwestuhan nyo.
Kasi pagka galing ka service, di ba dapat kung sa posisyon mo, ba't ituturo mo si Waga doon, si Waga dapat sa gitna. Ikaw ang mas nakakaalam ng pattern, ikaw dapat magdadala sa kanya. Dahil lang doon sa error na yun, umapat na naman sila ng puntos. Pagka nakapuntos kayo, ingatan nyo, dapat makabalik pa kayo ulit ng puntos. Hindi pa pwedeng pupuntos kayo ng isa, papupuntosin nyo ng 3 yung kalaban. O, tapos lalayo na ulit. Didikit kayo, tapos bibigyan nyo sila ng puntos. Eh, yung puntos nila, hindi naman nila pinapatay na mahirap eh. nilalagay-lagay lang nila, tapos kayo naman, ayaw nyo ang galawan. Di ba sinabi ko, mag-effort kayo para magkaroon ng sukli yung effort nyo. Kung wala kayong effort, wala kayong makukuha ang sukli. Wala kayong reward, di ba? Trabawin nyo, Jin. Nakatayo kayo eh.
Yung mga napansin ni Coach Ralph Calasin in the first, one is the 17 points of the opening set.
And you know, yun nga, pinupoint out niya na hindi pwedeng nakatayo lang kayo dyan. It has been the problem dito sa first set, ano? Tsaka tama yung sinabi niya, pupuntos kayo ng isa, pero pamimigay nyo mas marami. And sabi natin kanina maganda dahil ang umpisa nakakadikit sila. But again, it's because of that. 1 point in, and then more to give away. And again, the passing challenges continue para dito sa DFA.
Dumikit na nga sila ng isa eh. It was 5-4 for ang emissaries. Eh ngayon, that's gonna be a 7-2 run para dito kila Camacho and the Pension Protectors. Yung service si Camacho, unti-unting kumakanan eh, no?
Oo eh. Yung kanyang kamay, ano, unti-unting umaanggulo sa... But that is a welcome point para sa DFA. Pagkakataon nila, no, na makakuha.
Yan na nga lang. Yan ang sinasabi kanina ni Coach Calasin. Iisa kayo, yung isa nga bigay na eh.
Oo.
Dahil sa service fault ni Camacho. And then binalik din na lang naman nila. So, yun ang masakit para ngayon sa emissaries. Yung opensa pa rin, ano, kulang na kulangan.
Kulang na kulang. Let's see kung makakakuha ng magandang pasa.
Yes, magsumbol. Oh. Dig, but overpassed by Camacho. Magsumbol, susubok ulit. This time, Reforma with a good pass. Siyempre, pupunta sila kay Pitoy. Pitoy! Tangayan. Keeping it alive. Magsumbol. Eto, yung set na naman kay Pitoy to the middle. Oh, nice block by Magsumbol. The up by Gomez. Magsumbol with the hit. One-handed dig para kay Camacho. And, wow, quick plays para sa parehong kupunan. Pitoy, atake. And we'll get it.
What is working for SSS at the moment is their patience. And yung kanilang talagang focus dun sa bola. They are not letting any ball drop on the floor.
And right now, Anna, I just checked. 3 of the 7 points ng emissaries galing yun sa errors pa ng Pension Protectors sa lagay na yan. Pascual with a hit.
And yun nga, it won't help. Ano? Yun
Ay,
yung
oo.
sinasabi rin kanina. Binibigay ang kanilang puntos pero hindi nila na ma-maximize.
Off the block. Hindi daw, sabi ng ating first referee. So that will not cross the net, yung palo ni Pitoy. Puntos para sa emissaries. Abarientos serving. Malayo hinahabol nila dito. They're down by 6. Pitoy. Nice up para kay Reyes. Magsumbol against Sangwang and magsumbol. Gets the angle.
Mas marami pa na ganong klaseng puntos ano kailangan ng DFA. Kanina na pag-usapan natin, magsumbol only scoring 9 points in their last game against BFP. And today inaasahan natin na she can contribute more.
Off the block. Pabawi si Pitoy. Stopping that very short 2-point run ng emissaries. Tala Pascual, who is playing in the place of Virame Guiliana, who will not be available today. Chance ball. Pascual inangat. Ito si Gomez with a set. Pitoy using the net. The up. One-handed dig. Tawaga. And that point, will go outside. Puntos para sa Pension Protectors.
Itong si Magsumbol, alam niya kasi, no? So, lahat ng kanyang palo talagang ginigilid niya. But again, execution is a different discussion altogether. Lumalabas.
Ito na tong hinahabol ng emissaries. The biggest lead para sa Pension Protectors. Puntahan natin si Dana de Guzman. Dana's having some technical difficulty. Babalikan natin siya in just a bit. Pero ito Velasco checking in. Papaltan si Larion. Samantala si Dairo papasok din for the emissaries. Magsumbol, magpapahinga. I've got a lot of work to do. against Pascual and Company. Ang laki ng kalamangan ngayon ng SSS. They're up by 8.
Sa first set na to, no, nakikita natin maganda yung ginagalaw ng SSS. Pascual also doing a great job filling in the setting position.
And aces, ang dami na rin para dito sa SSS. That's their 4th ace of the game. Now I think Dana's ready. Dana, what do you have?
Eric and Anda ko nga tayo sa court ng SSS na nag-miss dun kay Vera Guillema as their main setter of the team. Pero buti na lang ay equipped din sa setting skills ang kanilang libero na si Marie Pascual who is playing well during this set. Ngayon, tignan natin, mukhang naka-adjust na maigi ang SSS Pension Protectors sa setting ni Marie Pascual. Balik sa iyo.
Maraming salamat, Dana. That's not easy, no? I mean, can you tell us about the transition from libero ka today, tomorrow, setter ka na?
Siyempre, ang mindset mo as a libero is very different. Libero, nag-aabang ka as we probably talk about that later. Makinig muna tayo sa kanilang timeout.
Jeng, ba't nandito ka kasi sa loob? Dito, di ba? Pagka sa gitna ka, o tsaka ka-abante, kapag ka nandun yung bola, o hindi pagka umatras sa dulo, hindi mo na nakukuha. Di ba nga mas mahirap umatras kaysa umabante? So bakit kayo papasok sisiksik dito sa loob? Ikaw, lalo na yung nandito, ba't ka sisiksik dyan? Di ba dapat from here, ito lang ang atras mo. O para kita mo pa rin yan. Di ba? Kaya kayo nawawala eh. Inalis nyo na yung pattern, tapos kanya-kanya. Kaya kayo nawawala sa depensa, nawawala kayo sa receive. Kahit yung simpleng bumabalik na bola, hindi nyo ma-turn ball. Ikaw naman, chance full. Huwag mong ibigay. Chance full na kayo, binabalik na lang. Naangat mo lang sa harap mo, iaangat mo, overball.
Last time out na yan ni Coach Ralph Calasin, and they are down by their biggest deficit at 10 points.
Oo, siguro ito, syempre hindi ganito ka nang inaasahang makita. Because sinasabi nga natin, no, talagang at this point, you have to fight and really give it your best. But ang kanilang mga nagiging challenge sa kanilang passing, parang hindi nila na-adjustan, hindi nila nako-correct pa here in the first set. And ito naman si Pascual continues to serve. Pinag-uusapan natin siya kanina how difficult it is to transition from a defensive role to a setting job. I'd have to say hindi yun gaanong madali.
That's right.
Because when you set, you are delivering plays, nag-iisip ka ng strategy, kanino ko ba ito ibibigay? Iba yung mindset.
Depensa sa opensa, no? I mean, two totally different things. But right now, tulad nga ng report ni Dana, according to Coach Stan, because of the score and what's been happening sa kanilang opensa, she's doing good.
Definitely doing good. Nakita pa nga natin kanina, no? She did show her versatility. Nag-set, binigyan ng set, pumalo.
Palo pa. Exactly. Pumapalo pa and patuloy. Speaking of, ang pagpalo dito ng Pension Protectors, they're now up by 12 points.
Alam mo, ito, dito sa ganitong laro, no, makikita natin gaano ka-importante kapag steady ang server. Service is not just about delivering it to the other side. You can actually score points and yan ang nagagawa nila dito.
And right now, Peña, papahinga muna si Fito and she will check in. Job well done para kay Sang Muang. 8 points para sa kanya. Make that 9 points already. Samantala, para dito sa emissaries, and no player with more than 1 point.
And it has been a challenge. Sabi nga natin, no, itong first set na to, the first task is to lift the ball, passing, at doon sila nahihirapan, kaya rin siguro talagang hindi sila makapuntos. Wala tayong setup, walang place. Magsumbol earlier was delivering, but again, the passing has been a challenge.
Only 4 attack points. 4 attack points. So, ulitin natin. Here's a nice one. The 5th attack point from Tangayan. Pero 5 attack points from the 10 na puntos ng emissaries. So that's how hard it's been.
It will continue to be hard for DFA, I think, dahil ang laki nung kalamangan ng SSS. If they can continue to score points like that dun sa kanilang mga service ace like what we've just seen siguro makakatulong yan to at least keep it closer.
Oo. Saka yung momentum moving forward, second set na aabangan mo rito eh.
Oo.
Because they're down by 12 and tatlo na lang ang kailangan dito ng Pension Protectors. Peña with the hit.
And this is where we say, matalo man sila dito sa first set for as long as they end the first set on a good note, meaning tumaas yung kanilang laro, there is a high chance, tama ka na, yung kanilang momentum would carry over the second set.
Doon nagtapos yung 2-point run ng Emissaries, yung attack fault ni Kat Magsumbol. And now 2 points away, make that 1 point away. Ang Pension Protectors after the ace by Peña.
Today has been a good day at the service line for SSS.
This is 13 set points. Waga magpapahinga para sa Emissaries. And I believe Juanillo is in for the first time today. Oh, bad pass. And that's it. That's it. A easy Sunday morning walk in the park para dito sa SSS Pension Protectors. As they've scored via aces, attacks, you name it, they got it. And a solid win to secure the first set for the green shirts against the white shirts of the Emissaries sa ating unang game dito sa Paco Arena.
DFA, pero 7 din yung kanilang naipamigay. So net-net, they kind of offset the points that they've created in that earlier set.
9 points para kay Fitoy, leading the way para dito sa Pension Protectors. She was helped also by the 4 points ni Pascual, who again, tulad ng report kanina ni Dana, a converted libero, naging setter in the absence of Vera May Guillema. Samantala, top scorer in the end after the 13 minutes of the first set, and para sa Emissaries, Tangayan with 2 points. Yun na yun.
Oh, yan. At titignan natin ngayon no, kung ano yung maaaring magbago para dito sa DFA here in this set. Pero siguro first things first, it will be all about their passing first. Dahil ngayon, magsaserve na naman ang SSS.
Oo, yun ang susubukan ulit dito. Let's see if may adjustments. They can be better. Here in set number 2, talking about the white shirts ng DFA Emissaries who are still winless coming into today. They are last sa ating 8 teams. Are 0-7 after the first round. Start na po tayo ng second round. Camacho with a serve to kick things off. At least nakapasa Magsumbol with a hit. Ito si Pascual magseset. Reforma ang papalo. No Fitoy in the starting lineup, but no problem para sa Pension Protectors.
Ito maganda. You get everybody involved, ano? Hindi lamang yung mga reinforcement ng kani-kaniyang team. But here in SSS, yan ang nakikita natin yun. Pascual. Pinagtatrabaho ang kanyang mga kasama sa front line.
Pascual, 1-2 play! And that is another point para kay Pascual. That's gonna be 4 points. Or make that 5 points already para kay Pascual.
Parang nag-e-enjoy nga siya sa sa setting duties.
Baka sabihin niya na kay Coach Tanyo Henyo, huwag mo na pabaligin si Vera Miguel. Kaya na to.
I got this.
Magsumbol, 2-0 start. And finally, the first point para dito sa Emissaries.
That was well executed para kay Magsumbol. Nakahanap siya ng butas sa gitna ng two defenders on the side of SSS.
Yan ang importante. Makapunto sila and not be left behind para sa Emissaries. And ito, back-to-back points for the White Shirts. And they tie the game at 4.
Si Magsumbol working double time pati sa kanyang blocking. Huli ang drop ni Peña.
Oo. Oh, wait a minute. A foot fault. Ang itatawag kontra kay Emissaries, ano? Tinawagan ng foot fault. That's gonna be against Waga. Yun lang ang masakit. Another error. And suddenly, Pension Protectors nakalibre ng isa. They're back up by 1. Abarrientos, Magsumbol, papalo. There's Camacho with the dig. Pascual will hit. Find the corner. Pascual, what a game today.
Having a good day. We are talking about Pascual. Sabi niya, hindi lang kasi ako pang libero. Actually, pwede ako maging attacker. Ano ba nga kailangan? Anong gusto mo, coach? Ano ba gusto mo ngayon?
Yun ang ibibigay ko. 6 points for Pascual already. Short pass. Magsumbol. Off the block of Peña. Pascual will set. Peña, two-handed spike. Magsumbol ulit. Nice tip. Oh, kept alive. Oh, a nice hit. Coming from Seiya. 3 straight points na itala ng Pension Protectors after we were tied at 2-all. Lamang na naman sila ng 5-2. Nice serve all the way to the back. Short pass. Free ball to para sa Pension Protectors. Pascual. Sa gitna si Peña. Nice up para kay De Leon. Magsumbol. Pinangat ni Pascual. Hit. Tangayan. Camacho. There's a nice block by Magsumbol.
Second block for this set. Block point for this set para dito kay Magsumbol.
Doon matatapos yung run ng Pension Protectors. Very quietly, Magsumbol, second point. Pero 2 blocks na siya doon. Actually, 4 points. Sorry, 4 points para kay Magsumbol. 2 doon blocks. Tala, Tangayan getting ready to serve. 3-5 ating talaan. Second set. Ang DFA, they throw away a point. So this is second straight service fault to para sa Emissaries.
At ito yung sinasabi natin, no? Kasi ito hindi forced error eh. Kumbaga walang, hindi ibinalik ng kalaban. They were in control. Ito yung mga sayang. Kung ganyan, just make it a short serve.
Sure muna lang, oo. Chance ball. Pinangat ni Reforma, Pascual. Pati sila kay Peña. Nice block by Olavere. Olavere, binalik ulit. Peña, blocked again. Ganda ng depensa sa net. Nitong White Shirts, Magsumbol, passes. Olavere. Seiya with a hit. Hindi tumawid ang bola. That's gonna be double contact kontra kay Seiya.
Gotta give credit para sa blocking, no? Dito sa side ng DFA. And siguro dyan makikita nila na defense at the net nagiging malaking tulong because it has been a challenge for them pagdating sa kanilang floor defense.
Magsumbol serving. Oh, nakabuenas. Pero yun lang. Tumama nga sa net pero tumalbog palabas.
Oo.
Sayang. That could have been a 2-point run.
But there has been no luck para dito sa service ng DFA.
So balik sa tatlo, kalamangan nila Peña and the Pension Protectors. Olavere. Inangat ni Reforma. Ito si Seiya, babawi after she hit the net earlier. Reyes, nice hit. Ganda nung tunog ng palo. Camacho. That's gonna be 4 touches kontra sa Pension Protectors.
Si Oliveri nagiging threat at the net, no? Ngayon, dito nakikita natin in the second set.
Short, that's very short. Another service fault. Pang-apat na to dito lang sa set number 2. So kalahati halos ang puntos ng Pension Protectors galing lang sa service fault ng emissaries. Puntahan natin ang report ni Dana de Guzman.
Eric and Anas, one of the imports of DFA, meron daw nararamdaman na pressure itong si Kat magsumbol kung paano niya mailalaro lagi ang kanyang 100%. Buti na nga lang daw at every night ay meron siyang nakakadiscuss kung paano i-improve ang game at yun ay ang kanyang partner na si Chi Saet. Malaking tulong daw sa kanya na meron siyang partner na marunong maglaro at marunong ding mag-coach ng volleyball. Ngayon tignan natin kung paano siya makakatulong sa opensa at depensa ng DFA. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Dana. One of the best in terms of setting as Oliveri may error doon. Sunod-sunod na naman tong error ng emissaries. Kaya nga, ang laking tulong no, kung Chi Saet can give you tips ano, para kay Kat magsumbol.
Oo, tsaka different perspective di ba? Maganda yung meron different perspective. At sige, ang saya siguro ng usapan nila palagi, no? Anong latest sa volleyball? Or nag-aasaran?
Kasi no, well, right now, mananalo si Chi Saet. Maganda ang
Oo.
posisyon ng kanyang koponan.
Oo.
They're fighting for a chance to make it to the finals. Na mamaya, actually, lalaroin nila ang Flying Titans para sa pagkakataong makapasok sa finals. Oh, what's up? 5 service faults in this set alone para sa emissaries.
Parang nagpapadamihan nata ng service error.
Mantala Gomez lalabas for Parinas. Very comfortable 5-point lead. Yung lamang ng Pension Protectors halos kasing laki ng pinuntos.
Oo.
Itong emissaries. Nice serve. Magsumbol. Reyes with a hit. Parinas passes. Eto si Reforma. Go to Tangayan. Reyes ulit. That one is gonna be outside. Struggle continues para sa emissaries. Right now, down by 6 already. Good pass by Reyes. Babalik sa kanya ang bola. And we'll hit it off the block ni Reforma.
Much needed point para sa DFA. Again, ang naging challenge o extra challenge in the first set nung lumayo ang puntos ng SSS. So I think in this set, dapat hindi na sila magsayang din ng puntos at dikitan nila.
Nice hit coming from Reforma. So no runs at all para dito sa emissaries. Makaisa man sila, hindi na papaulitin ng Pension Protectors. Reforma, second point para sa kanya yan. All coming from attacks. Magsumbol, may 5 na to. Oh, what a nice dig coming from Camacho. Magsumbol gets it. Reyes back to Magsumbol. The tip, inangat ni Pascual, nakangiti pa. There's Reforma. Waga. Inangat ni Seiya. Peña. Short pass, Oliveri mag-aangat. It's gonna be a free ball. Reyes says, ako na. Peña passes, Pascual. Oh, what a find! Pascual!
Pascual has been enjoying. Alam mo yung kanyang mga second ball, talagang dapat na she's got it figured out. Sabi niya, nabasa ko na itong pwesto ninyo. Butas na butas.
What a day para kay Pascual. By the way, 7 points na yun para kay Pascual. Nice up para kay Parinas. Pascual pinasa. Ito si Reforma. Finds the line. Yes, she does. Timeout. Timeout dito si Coach Ralph Calasin, who is giving the lines judge a look. Pero wala tayong challenge system today. So, we'll listen in to the huddle ng emissaries.
Kahit nga simulan nyo lang sa service. Diyos ko, service, 5 sunod-sunod na ikot. 5 service error. Ba naman kayo? Kahit nga i-underhand nyo na lang, yung kabila nga, underhand lang, o ba't kailangan yung paluin na overhead? Kasimple lang eh. Kayo rin nagbibigay ng punto sa kabila. Diba? Ako remind lang naman ako na remind kasi yun yung kahit nga tanungin niyo yung nasa labas eh. Ganun at ganun yung ginagalaw nyo. Mitch, inagaw mo na naman yung hindi di ba sinabi ko nang dito ka? Ba't pumunta ka naman sa gitna? Nandun na si Joy. Kita mo nga si Joy na kahit pag nasa pwesto siya, kahit papano, umangat yung bola. Kayo, pipwesto lang din kayo, aangat yung bola. Huwag niyong guluhin yung pattern nyo.
Service, guys.
Walo ang kalamangan ngayon ng Pension Protectors, 15-7. Let's see after the timeout kung may magbabago, kung magiging mas agresibo itong Emissaries. Nice up para kay Reforma. Hit by Peña down the line. It's wide.
Miscalculated, but of course, a welcome point para dito sa DFA.
So, naka 1 point doon ang Emissaries. Let's see if they can get one more for a 2-point run. Peña. Outside. So yes, 2 straight points. Pero again, sabihin natin, nakapuntos nga Emissaries. Pero lahat yung errors lang yun ng
So,
Pension Protectors.
ngayon, frontliner si Magsumbol. Titignan natin, no? Kung mamaya, maybe,
Opensa na.
opensa.
Anim hinahabol ni Waga and the Emissaries. Reforma. Oh, 3 na tong pinamigay ng Pension Protectors.
No room to relax.
Oh.
Yan naman ang dapat isipin, no, ng SSS.
Nice serving para kay Waga. Pascual. Out to Peña. And sabi ni Peña, dyan na lang muna. Tama na yung 3 points.
Lumalabas eh. So ito muna, sa gitna.
And then, puntahan natin itong report ni Dana de Guzman.
Eric and Ann, ngayon kung nakita nyo wala sa court si RB Camacho at pinalitan ng kanilang libero dahil siya daw ay currently nagkaroon ng muscle strain sa kanyang left abdomen. Ngayon ay tinitreat siya ng kanilang mga medic at tignan natin kung makakabalik pa ba siya this set. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Dana. Well, we hope na it's not too bad and we can see Camacho again. Wala rin sa kabila para sa... Actually, wala rin para sa SSS. Si Vera May Guillema. Substitution dito para kay Coach Calasin, Santa Maria and Dairo check in. And si Fitoy Sangwang, after the 9 points in the first set, hindi na natin siya nakita dito sa second set. Pinagpahinga na rin.
I think ito yung ano rin nila, diba? You have to let everybody play. And in this case, so far, okay pa naman. They still do have such a huge lead.
Tangayan. Pinangat ni Pariñas. Here comes Seiya. Battle at the net. There's going to be a net touch kontra kay Dairo, who just checked in off the bench. Walo na to. Biggest lead. 8 points para sa Pension Protectors here in set number 2. They won by 12 points. There's Dairo. Back-to-back errors para kay Dairo. pala, 14-point win in the first set for the Pension Protectors. Another timeout here for Coach Calasin.
Alam mo nang hirap ka, di ba? Ba't ililistay mo pa yung bola? Pwede mo naman i-over lang. O tapos kanina, alam mo nang over na sa kabila. Tapos na-touch net ka pa. Kunting isip, kaya ako nga kayo pinasok para makaambag eh. Kaso dumaambag kayo sa error, wag sa error, sa puntos kayo umambag. Pagkahirap ka, dikit na dikit, kanina pa ganun, inaangal mo, dikit. O i-adjustan mo, kahit naman error ng kakampi mo, si kanina natapos yung error, di ba, sa'yo pa rin. So over lang kapag kahirap kayo. Sayang naman eh. Dairo, paramihin mo yung puntos mo sa kampi mo. Sa kampi mo yung puntos, hindi puntos sa kalaban, ha?
Well, Dairo, na bigyan ng konting advice ni Coach Calasin. Dairo, one of the 4 imports. Kasama si Magsumbol, Reyes, and Santa Maria para sa emissaries. And right now, si Dairo has 4 errors and no points. Matala, Velasco will check in. At magpapahinga muna si Reforma. Reforma finishing with 3 points after the first 2 sets. Pero Velasco with the service fault.
More errors, no? Mula sa SSS here in this set. Pero gayon pa man, parang hindi na ma-maximize or natitake ng, ng DFA rather yung opportunity.
Seiya. Yes! Seiya off the bench. 2 points. 1 ace and 1 attack. Santa Maria. Si net for Dairo. Yes! Yun yung sabi ni Coach Calasin. Paramihin mo yung puntos mo, ha? That's the first one para kay Dairo. Serving 20. 8 hinahabol dito ng emissaries. Right now, it looks improbable, pero we'll see what they can do. Second stringers ang nasa court ngayon para sa Pension Protectors. Santa Maria, atake. Pascual, pinasa. Peña out to Seiya. Santa Maria, medyo malapit sa net. Nagawa ng paraan. Pascual, back to Seiya. Nice hit again for Seiya. Back-to-back points.
Good, consistent attack we're seeing from SSS. Really challenging yung depensa ng DFA.
4 na pala yan para kay Seiya, who's all smiles right now. You can see on your screens.
Bakit hindi, di ba?
That's right. 9-point lead. Ito yung pinakamalaking kalamangan para sa Pension Protectors, but lumiit ng isa after that service fault ni Peña. Here is Joylen Manabong. That service out as well. Daming service faults here in set number 2, especially for the emissaries. Pang-anim yun, Ann. 6 of the 22 points ng Pension Protectors galing sa errors lang sa service, ha, ng emissaries. Velasco inangat. Camacho is back, so it's good to see her back on the in the game, and naayos ng kanilang trainers yung abdominal strain niya. Miscommunication there. Velasco na itawid ang bola. Dairo will set it for Olavere. Peña. Pascual on a 1-2 play. Manabong nandoon for coverage. Ito si Santa Maria against Camacho. Longest rally so far of the match. Velasco hits it. Santa Maria with a bad pass. Will be a chance ball mula kay Manabong. Pascual. This time Pariñas will hit. Santa Maria to the middle. Gets it back. Santa Maria with a hit. Peña inangat. Pascual. Pumuesto. Camacho with the left. Nice save. And the pass coming from De Leon. Camacho. Will be 4 touches. Camacho with the attack fault.
One of the longest rallies that we've seen in this match so far.
So Olavere serving. 14-22, 12. Beg your pardon, 8 hinahabol nila dito. Pariñas! Back-to-back attack faults para sa Pension Protectors, which translates to a 2-point run para dito sa emissaries. Biggest lead was 9 points para sa Pension Protectors. That's gonna be short. Another error for SSS.
Raining errors here for SSS. Siguro may halo ditong relaxing a bit because they know that they are in the lead.
Nakangiti pa nga sila. Oh, but a bad toss. At sinundok ni Olivera yung bola. Nalito na rin siya. Nakaangat na eh.
She knew it, ano? Pagkatapos, parang nako.
Mali. You can't catch it. I don't know. Can you catch it again if you toss it?
I think for this one, ito hindi na eh. Nakapito na. So,
So technically, you can't catch it anymore. You have to hit it.
Yes.
So wala na. No choice na si Olivera na. Suntokin ko na lang. Hindi ako tatawin.
Walang replay. Hindi pwede replay yung yung toss.
Tulad kasi sa ibang sports, like sa tennis, you toss, pag bad toss ka, pwede mo kasaluhin.
Oh, dito kasi pag nag-whistle yung ating referee cue yun, diba? It is,
But you have 8 seconds, right?
yes. So yun, may oras ka naman. That's why they say, talagang
Pero pag tinapon mo, hindi mo na pwedeng saluhin.
hindi na.
So yun lang, pag tinapon mo, kahit may 8 seconds ka pa, hindi mo na pwedeng saluhin.
Most of them really take their time.
Nice service ace there para kay Santa Maria. Nice serve again. That is not gonna cross in between the antenna. So puntos na naman yun para dito sa Emissaries. From down 9 points, don't look now. 4 na lang tong hinahabol ng Emissaries. And tatawag na ng timeout si Coach Tan Eugenio. All of a sudden, nagkakabuhay ito ang Emissaries.
Tapusin na natin. Dalawa na lang.
Dalawa na lang yan. Hindi natin naantayin sila mag-error para makapuntos tayo. Tayo dapat ang pupuntos. Tayo gagawa ng puntos natin. Balik kayo dyan. Ibalik niyo yung sarili niyo.
Isang pasa, isang set, isang palo. Yun lang, gano'n lang. Dalawang gano'n lang.
Sis! GM! Go lang, go lang.
Lahat yun yung sinabi ng coaching staff as this time we look at the huddle ng Emissaries na wala yung receive, na wala yung pasa, na wala yung palo, lahat. Kaya from a high of a 9-point lead, ang Emissaries ngayon humabol na. SSS only up by 4.
Well, Santa Maria has been a good addition para dito sa DFA.
She has been serving well also.
Yan yung kailangan nila kasi may karga yung kanyang serve. And at this point na nag-shuffle din ng players yung SSS, ito yung kailangan, no? You maximize Santa Maria. And she is trying to at least make it difficult para dun sa passing ng SSS.
And another free ball para sa Emissaries. Santa Maria will set. There's a net touch. Itatawag kay Camacho. So, 3 na lang itong hinahabol ng Emissaries. What a run for the white shirts. And again, itong the serving ni Santa Maria, doon na nga lang.
Naubos.
Naubos na. And that's gonna be service error number 8 para sa Emissaries here in set number 2. So halos kalahati yung puntos ng SSS coming from the service faults ng Emissaries. Camacho, babawi. What a good serve, but a better pass coming from De Leon. Dairo, cross-court hit. Camacho inangat. Pascual will send it over. Dairo ulit with a push this time. Inangat ni Sea. Pascual says, ako na. Tangayan. Santa Maria, back to Tangayan. Peña. Pascual, back to Peña. Oh! So from 4 set points, 3 na lang para sa Pension Protectors.
It will be tricky, no? Dahil isang puntos na lang din ang kailangan, no, ng SSS. No room for errors at all.
Oh! Right on cue. So the last 2 points na kinailangan ng Pension Protectors were free ones given by Emissaries. Yung service, dalawang service fault actually.
Yes.
Back to
And, but you know, siguro looking back at how they played in the second set, kailangan din na mag-step back nitong SSS because it was very far from how they started this match
Yes.
today.
They led by as many as 9 na ibaba sa 3 ni Magsumbol and company yung kalabangan na yon. But in the end, it's just been the errors. That's 10 service faults binigay ng white shirts to the Pension Protectors. And it's a 2-0 advantage. SSS kontra sa DFA, ating unang laban ngayon. Take a look at the numbers. Longer set, a closer set. But still, nanalo pa rin ang SSS.
Oo, makikita natin, SSS quite consistent, no? Although their offense, pagdating dito sa second set, only at 10 points. 4 lang yun sa DFA. I think, ang nakita nating bright spot for DFA in that second set was their blocking. And indeed, they did score 2 points, no? Diyan. But I think for both teams, one of the setbacks or naging kanilang challenge talaga yung mga pamigay puntos. And here, in set number 2, double-digit pareho sila. 13 na ipamigay ng SSS, 14 ang naipamigay ng DFA.
Alright, set number 3, pagkakataon para sa emissaries. Huling pagkakataon. Let me add that. Para mapahaba itong laban na to. Santa Maria, she had a great finish in set number 2. But it's been Pascual leading the way para dito sa Pension Protector. Santa Maria off to a good start with a service ace para simulan ng set number 3. Good sign para dito sa emissaries.
It's also good to start with, I guess, Santa Maria, no, in the service area. She's really challenged the passing of SSS. Masyado mataas para kay Sangmuang.
And that serve is in again. So, terrific start. Ito yung hinahanap ni Coach Calasi na start since we started the game. Pero right now, they're finally putting it together.
Meanwhile, ang SSS, mukhang yung kanilang challenge or yung pagbagal ng kanilang pace, nadala hanggang dito sa set number 3.
Ayun yung pinag-usapan natin towards the end of set 1. Nung natambakan ang emissaries, if they can get a good momentum, madadala nila yun. And nangyari sa set 2. That momentum, natalo nga sila, but it carried over. Sangmuang, with their first attack, didn't play in set number 2. Well, finally, a side out. Pascual sa score para sa Pension Protectors.
Look at this. Maganda yung yung connection and yung communication itong si Sangmuang and Pascual. Dahil kailangan makapuntos. You see them communicate. But again, ang kanilang depensa na to challenge na rin ng DFA dito sa set number 3.
And you see yung confidence, confidence and aggressiveness. I mean, Dairo, you can see it in her face after that point kanina. Samantala, Titoy also bringing her A-game dito sa set number 3.
Nasabik kasi medyo matagal siyang wala, no? Wala. So, right on cue, right on point ang kanyang opensa.
Oh, nice footwork by Dairo para makakuha ng magandang palo. Santa Maria, underhand pass. This one, too strong. And Titoy with a push. Got it.
Keeping it simple. Of course, her height is such a huge advantage.
Short pass, Santa Maria, inangat. Dairo, two-handed push, and she got it.
Ang passing or ang depensa challenged.
And right now, first time with a 2-point lead itong emissaries. Dairo again, looking very aggressive. Titoy into the net and may errors. Itong problema para sa Pension Protectors. They're starting to get more tense because of the aggressiveness ng kalaban.
And ito yung sinasabi niya natin, no? You did mention the start of this set na carry over yung magandang momentum sa side ng DFA. Meanwhile, nung second set, nakita natin yung pagbagal ng kilos ng SSS. And it's something that seemed to have also carried over dito sa third set, yung kanilang mga errors. From the first set na halos konti lang yung kanilang error, naging double digit ng second set. And now they continue to commit these errors here in the third set.
Yung pagiging lax, hindi pa sila nakakabalik to that same level of aggressiveness nung set number 1. Yung focus na wala.
Oo, nawala yung focus. And if you look at, of course, not to take away any credit from the movement of DFA, pero there's nothing special at the moment.
Right.
What they are doing is just making sure they keep the ball alive. Pagka naitaas nila yung bola, they will just allow the ball to cross the other side of the net. Yun ang kanilang ginagawa.
That's right. They've been finding the holes dito. 8-3, 5-point lead para sa emissaries. Puntahan natin si Dana. Dana?
Eric and Ann, service errors. Yan ang pinoint out ni Coach Ralph kanina during their timeout bago pumasok ng third set. Sabi niya, hindi na bali kung underhand ang inyong service, basta siguraduhin nyo itong pumasok. Sabi rin niya, challenge niya ang kanilang team captain na si Mitch Olavere para pangunahan ang pagkakaroon ng magandang moral sa loob ng court. Sabi niya, ay ikaw ang team captain, ikaw ang inaasahan, dapat maitaas mo ang iyong team sa loob. Ngayon naman tignan natin kasi mukhang gumaganda na ang galaw ng DFA at nakukuha na nila ang kanilang momentum. Balik sa inyo.
Alright. Thank you, Dana. Well, kitang-kita talaga. Yung momentum is all on the side of the emissaries. Well, may error dito si Dairo, but they still have a 3-point cushion.
And you see that difference in the body language siguro eh. More than anything, napaka-evident nung pagkaliksi ng kanilang kilos, yung mga attempt sa pag-return ng bola on the other side, pangmalakas ang palo.
Although nakakabuhay dito si Fitoy, so far she's been the only one I noticed na alert. But a problema dito if you're the emissaries, you can't allow na magising yung the rest of the pension protectors. Because if everything starts clicking again, mahihirapan dito ang white shirts. Their lead was 5, ngayon 2 na lang. Oh, nice move by Pascual to save it sa second touch. Dairo, very aggressive. And Dairo will score, get the side out.
The challenge now para sa SSS ay ang kanilang depensa. Now that we're seeing some offense dito sa koponan ng DFA, parang nahihirapan silang basahin ang balik ng bola sa kanila.
Camacho. The up by Tangayan. Ito si Santa Maria. Blocked by Camacho. Now overpass. Ando si Parinas for the save. Pascual overpassing on the second touch. And another great move by Dairo.
Sabi nila, hindi lang kayo yung pwedeng pumuntos on the second touch.
Nangangapa sa depensa dito. You can see it on the face of Fitoy. The rest of her teammates right now, a little out of it. Reforma with a good pass. Pascual to Camacho. Tangayan, inangat. And that's the woman they need to stop if you're pension protectors. Dairo. What a turnaround. After 4 straight errors and didn't score a point. Dairo right now with 8 points and
May kalaban pa rin kayo. Hindi kayo naglalaro ng walang kalaban. Trato nyo pa rin sila nung parang trato natin ng first set at second set. Kala nyo kasi parang ayaw na nila eh. Lumalaban pa sila oh. Wala silang ginagawang kakaiba. Parang katulad pa rin kanina.
Walang kampante, walang relax. Tapusin natin, 3 set. Tara. Let's go.
right now you hear the coaching staff saying walang relax. Pero I believe they're past that already. Nakapag-relax talaga sila and it's very evident after that second set. And right now, si Titoy pa lang she's starting to get back into rhythm pero the rest of the team not yet. And that girl, siya ang hero.
Oh. Ang tanong dito para sa SSS, how fast can they snap out of it? Dahil clearly here on the side of DFA, the hunger is there, the eagerness to win is there. Ngayon, yung kombinasyon ng kanilang ng mga players seems to work for them.
Great move by Camacho. Quick reflexes, keeping it alive. Santa Maria. And lumalakas na lumalakas ang palo na emissaries. You can see it with every hit they have. Dairo with a dig. Santa Maria back to Dairo. Jasmine Dairo attacking. Pascual to Camacho with the left. Inangat ni Santa Maria. Dairo. That pass is no good. Medyo she can't be a little careless.
That was too wide para kay Dairo. Nakakuha siya ng puntos kanina on the returning the second ball but not that time around.
You like na she's being creative, pero right now they need to win the set. They need to maintain this lead, so they can't be careless. Back-to-back points given up by the emissaries. Biggest lead was 5 points para sa DFA. And Coach Kalasi nag-aalala na because yung kalabangan nila down to 3. He will call a timeout. Pakinggan natin ngayon ang White Shirts.
Ito ka na. Oo, hindi yung kahit okay na yan. Basta ito, nagtatama kayo para hindi ka na nahihirapan tumakbo. At least makaka-receive pa si Waga. Bao, pagka pangit naman yung set, adjustan mo lang. Diba, iwasan nyo nga yung error na sa inyo manggagaling yung puntos nila. At least sila yung mahirapan makapunto sa inyo. Mapatayan man kayo yung mga bound lang na palo. Pero yung error na manggagaling sa inyo, hindi magandang puntos nila yun. Sayang, ingatan nyo yung lamang nyo. Lumilima na kayo, pabababayin nyo ng 3. Hindi pwedeng ganyan. Bumawi kayo agad, rumisip kayo agad.
Huwag na natin pabulin.
All right, let's see how the girls react. So far, yung responses nila positive since that big run nung late in the second set. Let's see if they can stop this run naman ng nila Camacho and the Pension Protectors and restore their 5-point lead. And
They will need good passing, Eric. Ano? And so far, nagagawa nila yon dito sa set na to.
Pascual with the first touch. Pascual will get it back underhand. Pass lang to. So a chance ball for the White Shirts. Dairo, another 1-2 play. Inangat ni Reforma. Reforma will get it back. Dairo, Tangayan back to Santa Maria will get it. Pascual will go back to Reforma. Inangat ni Olavere. Santa Maria, another underhand pass. Second straight chance ball to. Camacho with the left. Santa Maria into the net. Yeah, that's going to be 4 touches kontra sa emissaries. So, 4 na make that 3. 3 straight points binibigay ng emissaries.
Pagkat yung timing, yung pagpalo rin, she was on her way down.
So, from up 5, 2 na lang ang kalamangan ng emissaries. Magsumbol, papasok, papaltan si Santa Maria. They can only afford to put in 2 imports at a time. Oh, but Seiya with a service fault. Balik sa 3 ang kalamangan nila Waga and the emissaries. DFA winless, 0-7 coming into the second round of eliminations. Naghahanap ng kanilang unang panalo. They have not won a set as well dito sa laban na to. Pascual, Magsumbol inangat. And Magsumbol will get it back. Fitoy nasa back row. They go to Reforma. Tangayan to Magsumbol again. Good digging para kay Fitoy. Camacho mula sa gitna with a push!
That was actually a lower set for Camacho. Look at that. May konting ipit si Pascual and she drops it in the middle.
Parinas. The underhand serve. Oh, a little miscommunication there. But still good 3 touches para sa emissaries. Reforma. Inangat ni Olavere. Dairo hinabol. Back to Magsumbol. Magsumbol konting miscommunication with Tangayan. But the ball is still live. Another great play coming from Pascual.
We haven't seen much of that though in the earlier set. Ngayon ulit.
9 points for the libero turned setter, Maria Victoria Pascual. Isa na lang. Hinahabol dito ng Pension Protectors. Magsumbol looking to protect a 1-point lead. She got it. The lead is back to 2 para sa emissaries.
They really need to protect this lead. Paliit ng paliit. Pero nonetheless, it still is a lead.
Yun ang importante.
Oo, yun ang importante. Kasi kahit pa paano yung pressure. Mukhang kumakatok yung pressure because of these errors. But ito yung sinasabi natin, if they can keep that lead, kontra sa SSS, malaking tulong for DFA. At least hindi sila nagmamadali. At least hindi sila yung naghahabol.
Oo. They're up by 1 after that service fault ni Tangayan. Pascual looking to tie the game. Fitoy nasa harap. Yan ang problema. Game is tied. Yung 5-point lead ng Emissaries erased.
With this rotation, trust that Pascual will really maximize the presence of Sangmuang there in front.
14 para kay Patchery Fitoy Sangmuang. Dairo. Sabi ni Dairo, ikaw lang ba, Pascual?
Kulang ng coverage ang SSS. Look at that.
So, aangat on top itong Emissaries up by 1, 14-13. Served by Magsumbol. Ito si Fitoy. Chance ball coming to the Pension Protectors. Oh, Pascual with a hit. Oh, yes. Pascual now with 10 points.
It has been a good day for Pascual. Sabi niya, I just needed this opportunity to shine.
Miss Do It All. Maria Victoria Pascual as Reforma serves to the net. So balik na naman sa kalamangan dito ang Emissaries. Hindi pa po nakakatikim ng kalamangan. Here in the third set, ang Pension Protectors, mula sa simula, they've been playing catch-up. Gahabol sila. Fitoy to tie the game. She got it.
Fitoy really towering at the net. And ito yung sinasabi natin, they will most definitely maximize her presence in the front line.
15 points for Fitoy. Make that 16. And that will give the Pension Protectors 16 points also dito sa set number 3. And for the first time, lalabang ang green shirts versus the white shirts of the Emissaries as Gomez will check in for Parinas. Puntahan muna natin si Dana de Guzman.
Eric and Ann, patuloy na ngang nagpapakawala ng maiinit na palo itong si Fitoy Sangmuang. At kung alam nyo ba na siya ay nagsimula pa maglaro sa Pilipinas noong 2011 nung siya ay inimbitahan para maglaro sa letran ng kanyang kapwa Thailander na si Jeng Buali. Siya ay naglaro under Coach Nes Pamilar at ngayon na nga ay siya ay naglalaro ngayon para sa SSS dahil naman sa imbitasyon ng asawa ni Coach Nes Pamilar. Ngayon, tingnan natin na nasa harap na ngayon si Fitoy Sangmuang kung paano niya matutulungan ang kanyang koponan na manalo sa set na ito. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Dana. Right now, she's doing everything. The last 3 points at least ng SSS galing kay Patchery Fitoy Sangmuang. Lamang na ng 3 ang SSS. Timeout for Coach Calasin. We'll listen in.
Pero yung mas lamang yung palo niya, laging palobo. Kaya
Napakasimple. Hindi naman mabigat yung serve. Ang expect nyo kasi, re-receive ako. Para kahit anong mangyari, kukunin nyo, pipilitin yung kunin yung bola. Kasi naka-mindset na kayo na re-receive kayo. Pero kung naka-mindset kayo na iaasa nyo yung receive sa kasama nyo, hindi aware yung katawan nyo na re-receive kayo. Ganun lang naman yun. Bawian nyo, 3 lang yan.
Kaya natin yan lang. 3 lang. Dapat, habang sipat tayo sa loob, ha? Double time.
Receive. Magandang receive para makasat si Seto. Okay, patay lang para hindi.
Fight!
Ingay sa lang
Gustong mapigilan ni Coach Ralph Calasin itong pag-arangkada nila Camacho and the Pension Protectors. Sabi niya nga, especially sa receive part, hindi naman malakas, hindi naman kargado. So, set your mind na re-receive ka para hindi ka, kumbaga, parang wala sa sarili pag dumating yung bola. Dairo magpapahinga, Reyes checking in.
Tingnan natin, no? If this will bring in more good things or kung marireverse ba.
Oo. Para kay Pascual, she's doing everything in this game.
And she seems to be enjoying it. Bakit hindi?
I mean, she's setting, she's serving aces, she is attacking.
What would be interesting ngayon, no, sa side ng DFA because Dairo is subbed out, but she is actually the top scorer sa ngayon. So tingnan natin kung paano, no, magiging delivery nitong DFA. Pero mahirap dahil si Fitoy nasa harap.
17 para kay Fitoy. And kung tingin nyo, malaki na yung binubuto siya. Actually, 18 pala. Eh, galing lang sa 41 yan.
Oo.
Nung 5-set win nila kontra sa Comelec.
Maliit na bagay sabi ni Peter.
Barya,
Na bagay.
barya lang daw.
Oo.
Pang warm up lang ni Tito. Here's another ace mula kay Pascual. Pascual has ace number 4. 13 points sa kanyang debut as a setter para dito sa Pension Protectors, and the lead is 6 points. Wala na pong timeout na lalabi para kay Coach Ralph Calasin, so he can't stop this momentum, this run ng SSS right now. Pitoy with the push. Magsumbol si Net Reyes. Babawi ng push. There's a net touch. Yeah, or crossing violation, I believe, is going to be called against Gomez. So dyan matatapos yung run ng Pension Protectors. We'll see. Gomez dives, and there she is. Yun, tumawid ng isang paa. That's something you cannot do. Good pass. Pascual underhand set. Pitoy nasa gilid. Cross-court hit is good. No runs ngayon para sa Emissaries. The lead is back to 6 para sa Pension Protectors. Pitoy with 19. Nice serve. Reforma passing. Ito si Camacho will get it because Pitoy is in the back row and Camacho connecting.
SSS showing us how they're coming back to life. Medyo mabagal yung paumpisa dito sa set na to, pero siguro sabi nila wag na nating pahabain.
Overpass, yes. Binalik ni Magsumbol. Battle at the net. Tinawid ni Reyes. Pascual. Si Seiya will hit. Tough set para kay Magsumbol. Gonna be a chance ball. Overpassed by Camacho. Magsumbol. Nasa gitna. Reyes with a hit. Pascual. Seiya. Battle at the net. Oh, quick reflexes by Camacho keeping it alive. Si Pascual with an off speed. Magsumbol. Ito si Reyes again. Long rally. Both teams not giving up. Seiya, that could have been outside. Olivere. Good save. Ganda ng effort dito. Both teams. Camacho. Push. Reyes. Magsumbol. All the way to the back. Pitoy inangat. Pascual passes. Seiya with a tip. Oh, quick reflexes. Magsumbol. Tinawid ang bola. Camacho. Amazing rally. Tangayan. Reyes.
Sino ang unang bibigay?
Iyon ang tanong. Oh, both teams very quick sa depensa. Oh! With a little help from the net, Reyes will finish the rally. Pati ang ating referees dito na papagitid na lang because of the exciting exchange.
Kita mo yung hingal ng mga player eh.
That was something else. That was special. Both teams, you can tell, they really wanted to keep the ball alive. Reyes finishing with that point. She's on serve now. And she gets an ace. So back-to-back points para kay Reyes. It's a 2-point run for the Emissaries.
They can still try to get closer dito sa SSS.
Yvonne Reyes with 4 points. First ace na yun. One of the 4 imports ng Emissaries. Good pass by Seiya. Ito si Camacho. Reyes, papasa kay Magsumbol. There's a push. Pitoy trying to keep it alive. Unsuccessful. 3 straight points na ipuntos ngayon ng Emissaries. Tatawag ng timeout si Coach Tanyo Henyo after that point by Magsumbol, who has 7 points already.
Guys, ito na naman. 25 na naman. Sino ba gagawa ng puntos na natin? Tayo, di ba? Huwag natin nantayin mag-error sila. Parang nung second set lang yan, dapat mabago na ngayong set na to, ha? Kayo ang gumawa ng puntos nyo, ng puntos natin.
Marie, iset mo sa kanya ng tres lang. Huwag mong bilisan. I-tres mo sa kanya. Paluin mo, ha?
Go. Service nila yun, nasa open muna siya.
Pagka nag-transition na lang.
Okay. Amen. Set! Team! Kaya natin yan ang baon.
Amazing run pinakita ng Emissaries dito. But if you're Coach Tanyo Henyo naman, para sa kabilang panig, para sa green shirts ng Pension Protectors, should you be a little disappointed? 2 puntos lang hinahabol nila, nakapagpamigay pa sila ng 3 points.
I think dun sa mga giveaway, sayang, no, kung error nila. Pero yung mga well-fought points tulad ng huli, minsan breaks of the game na lang din yan. Diba? I think more than anything, ang inaabangan, no, ang gustong makita ni coach sa kanila, yung talagang galaw nila. Kasi minsan nagkakaroon sila ng slower pace.
That's true. And there it is, finally. Good timeout para kay Coach Tanyo Henyo. Medyo na-settle down yung nerves ng kanyang players because na-long rally yun eh.
Oo.
Medyo, you will fall a little bit out of your head because of what happened. Pero Camacho finally puts them at match point. Pero sabi ni Seiya, wag muna, maaga pa eh.
Oo, marami pang oras.
So 1 match point given up on the serve.
Sayang naman daw para sulit yung No, but kidding aside, this still gives a chance para sa DFA, though they are not supposed to really commit any errors at this point, Ay,
Uy,
meron tayong
meron sasali.
little boy.
You have one of kids nanonood dito. Na-excite masyado sa
Oo.
action. Sabi niya, ako nga.
Ako din, sama ako. Or punta ako kay mommy.
Camacho looking for the finishing touch. Not yet. Sabi ng emissaries, magsumbol, papalo. Another opportunity here. Pascual inangat. Camacho backing up. Off speed. Magsumbol with the pass. Reyes, magsumbol. Oh, off the face of Pascual! And it's overpassed. Tangayan. All the way to the back. Pascual inangat. And Camacho sends it over. Chance ball to. Pagkakataong pumundos and to save a match point para kay magsumbol. Oh, good pass by Hatchery Sangmuang. And that'll do it! Yes! Pascual! After she saved that rally with her face, she saved the match with the last point.
You know, that is what matters, ha? Okay lang naman tumama sa kahit anong parte. Basta, buhay ang bola.
Yun na yun. What an amazing debut by Maria Victoria Pascual as the setter in the place of Vera May Guillema. 14 points para sa kanya. 10 attacks, 4 aces, and great defensive plays as well. At doon pa rin yung pagkalibero niya, no?
Oo.
Hindi nawala.
Hindi nawala. At saka, ang natin dito is really very good teamwork also, no? Mula dito sa SSS. Kumbaga, kailangan nilang mag-step up din. Wala yung kanilang setter, iba yung magpa-play ng role. So, kailangan ayusin nila yung pasa.
That's right. And yung mga pasa na yon, nagawa ng magandang plays ni Maria Victoria Pascual, who is our best player right now.